Hey everybody, let's do today's CSS Daily Target. Oh, yeah, I like this one. All right, do the blank template, set the background color. Let's start with the circle, huh? I'm not even sure we need an element here. Let's take a look and see how far we get without an element. And I'm going to put yellow in the distant background. I'm going to do radial gradient. And that's a circle. That keyword assure, so we get a circle and not a shape that is defined that is a kind of oval. 10%. And then yellow. 0, 20%. And then the green. 0. And I have an extra comma in there, making that funky. All right. So what do we need here? What do we need to do? So we only need the bottom half of that circle, huh? We need to clip out. Okay. Just diving into the code and not really thinking about it too hard. So let's increase these numbers. And actually, what's the best way to do this? There's no best way. So we've got several different things that we need to get done, and none of them particularly hard, but we do have to do a circle, and then we have a half circle. So what if we do the circle at 50%, 0, and then move it downward. 0, 50 view height. So I think that's where that is. And then let's do the numbers. 20, 21, 22, okay. 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay. So that's that part. And then so that's the shape that we've got. So let's do the green stripe now. Linear gradient. And let's do the same thing. Let's put this down. 0, 50 view height. And then just start at that color, do 10%, and then transparent. How's that? Is that a way to do this? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14? How about 50 pixels? How about 40 pixels? Okay, and see these little lines, those radial lines? That's kind of crap. Like, that's a bummer. So that means I think these percentages are not really going to do what we want. So let's do 40 pixels. 20, 30, 40. There it is. That's no good. Oh, okay. So how about 80? 80. There it is. 80. And then 100 pixels. Not big enough. 2. There it is. So now we need another radial gradient of just the green and then transparent, right? Circle, green, transparent, and don't forget a comma. And I guess we need to put this in the distant background. Now we've got, so it really is very gradienty. 30, what did we say, 10%? And then a color stop at 0. No, we didn't say 10%. How about 20%? 15, 16. And we don't need a paragraph tag, and we don't even need to use the whole word body. We just use an ampersand. And submit. Is that it? I think that's it. I don't know, it doesn't feel super efficient, but you know, it's good. It's fine. We use circle at, we use background positioning, we use some different kind of units. We can do not 50 view height, but 50%, I believe. Nope, that won't work. Any other units or changes we can make? Nah, we're content. We're happy with that. Let's resubmit and we're done. That's a fun one. That's, yeah, satisfying little exercise in radial gradients and the differences between them, right? Don't forget your transparent is your hash and then 4 zeros, right? Well, really it could be anything. It'd be EEE0 as long as you got the 0 at the end for a 4-digit number. That's the alpha channel. And then if I add, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you can see that lighten, and that's because there's a covering radial gradient that's making that do that. But a 0 is what we want for transparent. All right, that's it. Have a great day. Take care of each other. Make cool stuff with HTML and CSS. It's really awesome. And if you've got a computer or a phone or a tablet, you probably can edit some HTML. All right. Have a good day. Bye.